Hello guys, I'm back. This is Tommy Kikoy and I will be doing a reaction on Soyoung's Beauty and the Beast. So without further ado, let's go!
Till as old as time, true as it can be, barely even friends, then somebody bends unexpectedly.
Just a little train, small to say the least.
The hair of Soyoung's duet partner is far more way better than her hair. But the voice goes. I really love when she hits this crazy note.
Sweet and strange, finding you can trace, loving you wrong.
Certain as the sun,
Certain as the sun,
rising in the east.
tell us all that's done, so as all that's right.
Beauty and the
Beast, tell us all that's done,
Song as all that's right.
beauty and the
yeah. Dope.
Beauty and the
Like, everyone is very happy about the performance. Their voices were so good. Soyoung's crazy notes is so undeniable. Grabe, ang galing niya. And I think she can sing anything. She's beautiful too. For me, Soyoung is the best singer in the world. For me. And let's try to explore more singers. And let's see what we can see. And if you have any suggestions, don't forget to drop your comments down below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.